So guys, we're at CIC. Let's see what they have. Them at CIC. One topic we'll be talking about is a money market fund as an investing option. This is mostly short to medium term. So I have a few questions because I have the pre-term one, but today we're going to also delve into CIC. We're going to ask the difficult questions and get the fine print. So yeah, I hope this is helpful.
One of the investment accounts that we have under CIC Asset Management, and it is one of the funds now under the unit trust, and it operates more or less like a savings account, only that now for a customer you get to earn interest on a daily basis from the point that we receive your money up to the end of the month.
Okay.
Then at the end of the month we deduct withholding tax, which is usually 15% on the interest earned within the month or for the period of time that the customer has stayed with us.
Right.
So let's say, for example, you came in on 19th, today being 19th, and we invested your money today. So we will calculate the interest from today up to the normal calendar month, at the end of the normal calendar month.
Okay.
And then after that, now the interest that you get for those days or for the full month, whichever period of time, that's where we deduct now the withholding tax.
Okay, and this is standard?
Yes, that is standard.
Okay.
So the following month after tax, if the customer doesn't withdraw the interest at the end of the month, that is after tax, we roll it over. So we compound the interest monthly.
Okay.
So one has an option of either withdrawing the interest monthly, or you have an option of allowing it to be compounded monthly.
Okay.
But you can do either. And then also with the money market, the other best thing is that you can top up anytime you have extra money. So if you don't want to put your money in the bank, or rather you have a certain project you're looking to into, or you just want to put your money maybe for emergencies, maybe we can say maybe you want to set aside some money every month or even every day for maybe people who are doing business daily, on a daily basis. So you decided, I want to put aside this amount of money every day or even every month that I want to put as a savings account or a savings, or I want to put it as an emergency, or I even have a project that I'm working towards. So you can top up anytime. Minimum for top up is 1,000 shillings.
Okay.
Anytime you have money, so it's open. And then the minimum account opening balance is 5,000 shillings for the money market.
This is the minimum initial deposit?
Yes.
Okay.
So it is 5,000 shillings. But you can put up any amount from 5,000 shillings.
Okay.
Yes. So basically that's how the money market operates. For us, CIC, we are regulated by Capital Markets Authority. We also have other funds within the company, or other businesses that we run, like pensions. So we also regulated by RBA. Okay. Yes.
I also have a query.
Yes.
Regarding the CIC, the money market fund, this is a form of unit trust.
Yes.
Does the client is the client able to know what specific industry? Say, is it in the IT, is it in the energy, is it in health, or once you deposit the 5,000, this is initial deposit.
Yes.
It's just sent to any sector. So like for example, say right now we're in the restoring phase of the economic cycle. And mostly at this phase, depending on the few research, and I'm not a regulated financial advisor, please do advise. But from the few information that I got is that during the recovery, the best industries to invest in is energy, utilities, healthcare, and consumer staples. So are you able to know where this, because I understand that unit trust is a bunch of X being put in a specific place.
Yes.
Is the client able to know which industry you're investing in, or?
So with the funds for the money market, because it's more or less like I would call it, I would say it's a short-term investment, which is has minimal risk. So the only avenues we invest the funds at is the Treasury bills. That is one. So we do either 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year under the T-bills. We also invest in bonds.
Still the Treasury bonds?
Yes, Treasury bonds.
Okay.
and we also do call deposit accounts. Those are the banks, we lend to the banks.
Okay.
And for CIC, we lend to the tier 1 and the tier 2 banks. And we also do corporate paper.
Okay.
So those are the only avenues.
For example, you want to invest in that you've never done it before. What's the process there? USD? Do you physically have to come here, or you physically have to come here?
No. So for the deposits, once we open the account for you, so this is how we open the accounts. If it is an individual, we have a link whereby we share with the customer. We share the link with the client. So once the client has finished on the onboarding process, or rather the registration process, then we go ahead and onboard the client. Then the client will receive a member number, which is just like an identification number. So with the identification number, that is the membership number. When someone wants to withdraw, and maybe they are using the email, because there are 2 options. One can withdraw via email. You can send to us an email requesting for a withdrawal.
Options, this is either email?
Yes. Withdrawal options, one is email. So with the email, you put your membership number. And then again, you also write your names, of course.
Okay.
And the amount that you would wish to withdraw.
Okay.
So one can either do a partial withdrawal, you can do a full withdrawal, or you can even do an interest withdrawal.
So you can either do a partial, full, or
a interest withdrawal.
Interest withdrawal. Okay.
Yes. So with that, so once someone has returned to us, that's when now we start processing the funds back to the client's bank account. So that is the email. With the app, we have an option of also withdrawing through the app. You can do withdrawals. You can either opt to do M-Pesa withdrawal.
Okay, this is still on the app.
Yes.
So the app is linked to M-Pesa.
Yes.
Okay.
It's linked to M-Pesa. Up to 50,000.
Okay.
For M-Pesa.
Alright. And this is in what period? What is the limit of the 50K? Is it in a day or in a week?
2 days.
2 days.
2 days, yes.
Okay.
Working days.
2 days.
Yes.
Working days.
Yes.
Okay.
We're still working on it, so it's in the initial stages.
Okay.
So we're hoping at least to have it within a day. The customer will have received the money, but currently it's up to 2 days, 2 working days.
2 working days. Okay.
Yes. So within the app also, you can make a withdrawal. You can request for a withdrawal. If it's a large amount of money, say 50,000 and above.
Okay.
Now it will still go through the same process, 2 to 4 working days.
Okay.
Yes.
I also have a question, because this is also another option. Like, we work really hard to make the money we make, and the whole idea of capitalism is be able to retain and also generate your wealth.
Yeah.
So when I'm making the withdrawal, is it like M-Pesa whereby there's a withdrawal transaction fee, or is it just?
It's free.
It's free.
It's free. So all withdrawal transactions are free. The only charges that you will incur is from now your bank.
Okay.
Yes.
Also, you mentioned amongst the charges, so it's also really important to talk about charges, because these are the things that are in the fine print that most people don't really query about, and then you go get it ahead and you're like, okay, I invested 1 million, why do I have 900,000? So there's the withholding tax. What are there any other? Is there like an asset management fee as well on this investment, and what percentage is it?
Yeah, we do have management fee in the money market.
Okay.
So our management fee is 2%.
Okay.
On the total fund.
Okay, is this per annum or per year or per month? Sorry.
It's per annum.
The main offices, guys, are at Upper Hill.